Do you want to play Minecraft but can't figure out how to create an account? In this video, I will show you step by step how to easily make a Minecraft account. No confusions, no stress. Watch till the end without skipping and you will be ready to jump into the world of Minecraft instantly. Keep watching until the end, otherwise you won't fully understand. So let's go. Begin guide, follow my step. First, when you open the Minecraft app, you will see an interface like this. Here you need to click the sign in button. I don't have a Microsoft email account, so I will create one. For that, I need to click on the create on button. I need to enter my birthday. You need to select your birthday. Now click on next button. Here I need to enter an email username that is available. After enter the email username, then click on next button. Then create a strong password. After creating strong password, then click on next button. Save your password in Gmail so you don't forget it. Here you need to enter your valid name so you can remember it later. Then press and hold this button here to complete the captcha and prove that you are not a robot. Here you can just press the skip button. Skip this here as well. Now you click on continue button. Then now you click on save and continue button. Click the let's go button and your Minecraft account creation will be completed. Okay, the Minecraft account has been created, so I will show how to play professionally in another video, but only if you give this video 1k likes. So guys, give it a like, and if you are now to my channel, subscribe, also share it with your friends.